Welcome to my YouTube channel. I promise to keep this review short. So, today we will discuss Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, how it works, how to detect Okinawa fake website with proof, and I will also show you customers' feedback, having used Okinawa for some months. Let's get started. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a nutritional supplement powder that triggers weight loss by reducing inflammation and improving the metabolism speed. Well centered around shedding unwanted pounds, this remedy uses inspiration from the habits of Okinawa's citizens due to their long lifespan. Any overweight adult can tell you that trying to lose weight is a seemingly never-ending process that is often frustrating, if not demoralizing. The truth is weight loss is a complicated process to go through that takes time, determination, and self-control. Thankfully, some products can make this process just a little bit easier. Flat Belly Tonic is one of these products, and it is quickly becoming one of the most popular weight loss products on the market. The good news is that there are plenty of resources available for adults to lose weight. In particular, supplements are becoming more popular because they increase the weight loss rate without a risky diet or exercise program. How Flat Belly Tonic works. Flat Belly Tonic contains a powerful formula of herbal extracts and berries to help you lose weight. This potent formula works in two main ways to melt away fat. First is, the Flat Belly Tonic boosts your body's metabolism to increase fat loss. It contains 4 herbal extracts that help boost your base metabolic rate, BMR. Your base metabolic rate is the number of calories needed for you to keep your body functioning at rest. By increasing your BMR, Flat Belly Tonic helps you burn more calories when you're not actively exercising. This enables you to burn more fat throughout the day so you can slim down faster. Second is, the Flat Belly Tonic reduces inflammation, which slows down digestion and slows your metabolism. A potent blend of berry extracts has powerful antioxidant properties that combat inflammation. Inflammation, particularly a protein called C-reactive protein, blocks an enzyme called adiponectin. Adiponectin is an enzyme that triggers metabolic activity. Reducing C-reactive protein levels enables adiponectin to thrive, thus allowing your metabolism to thrive. Essentially, Flat Belly Tonic directly boosts your metabolism and puts your body in the best position to burn more fat naturally. This potent combination makes Flat Belly Tonic one of the most effective fat burners on the market, including emotional eating. How to use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. By taking Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic daily, you can purportedly enjoy significant weight loss results. You mix 1 scoop of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic with water or a shake, then drink it daily to enjoy various benefits. The Flat Belly Tonic recipe is to be consumed before 10 a.m. every single morning to allow peak performance in terms of metabolism and fat-burning capabilities along with a few nutritional tips outlined in its manual. Now you know how it works. Please pay close attention to the following information. Where to purchase Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic without being scammed. The Okinawa is primarily available on the official website. As popular as this formula may be, the company has not made it possible for any third-party retailer to sell. Is Okinawa a scam? In short, Okinawa is not a scam. Although the Okinawa scam risks are legitimate because of the shady salesmen and fraudsters who prey on unsuspecting consumers who set up nefarious Okinawa Amazon listings on Amazon.com marketplace or any number of third-party retail platforms like eBay or online stores, selling fake supplements under the same brand name. But there is a very easy way to avoid the Okinawa scams, and that is to not order from any other website other than its official website, which has ClickBank written boldly on the homepage, where the lowest prices with the biggest savings are already there, on top of an unheard of 90-day money-back guarantee. I have provided you with a link to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic official website. There is where you can safely buy the Okinawa, which comes with a money-back guarantee. How to claim a refund. As discussed earlier, Okinawa is backed with a 90-day money-back guarantee. While the supplement is backed by tons of positive customer reviews, everyone will have a different experience when using Okinawa. If for any reason you're unhappy with Okinawa, you can contact the customer service team and request a refund. The only thing to be mindful of is that the product must be returned within 90 days of the purchase date. The best part is that you can return the product even after using it. You just have to send the empty bottle back in order to receive a refund. Thanks for watching. I hope